they were not even expecting anybody to even appreciate what they're doing, and they're doing this since about now 85 days non-stop and sacrificing their families, to come to keep us safe. And when we explained to them what we were trying to do and how the citizens of Pondicherry wanted to express their gratitude, there were some nurses and caregivers and all had tears in their eyes. One fine morning, I got a call from Uma, and she is one of the steering committee members of the Fairtrade Town, Auroville. And she said that, we have done this for the frontline support in Auroville. Would I be interested to take it up in Pondicherry?
Fairtrade Gratitude Project began in Auroville while having a conversation with one of the nurses in Auroville Frontiers, COVID Frontiers, who were just saying, I wish there was a cake and a cup of coffee. And it was a very genuine passing by remark, and it brought into the focus that there are so many people who are thinking like that, and forget about this, they have not even thought about their lunch.
Could we include the Fairtrade cocoa in the ingredients that we wanted to do for making the cake? So she said that was a super good idea, and that's how the idea got initiated in Pondicherry. Immediately first approached Greenday from Ashok to check whether he had Fairtrade cocoa from Paskati, and he said, I don't have, but I'll order it. So then he ordered his the cocoa, and a few ladies who I knew baked, like Twinkle Bakes, Sangeeta Bakes, Priyam Bakes. So I said, okay, can we get some women on board? And the way I thought we could take it forward is, why don't we focus on making it into a citizens movement? They all came together and we created a WhatsApp group. And then I told them that it would be very important for us to be able to reach out to a lot of people. So they became my cluster heads. And then they reached out in turn to their friends, and then they were managing the show from their side.
It was the most natural thing. Even parents were very happy that their children could make cards, and the children were very happy that their scribble goes to someone else and they are part of the Gratitude Cake project. It has touched everybody's heart, and it's beautiful to make your life relevant to someone you don't even know. And that joy is sacred.
That's how we grew from just a group of 11, but managed to touch around a total of about 25-30 citizens as well as small businesses. And we have reached a total of about 5,000 Fairtrade Gratitude Cupcakes. First, we targeted the primary health centers in Pondicherry. So we had gone to about 8 health centers. There were some nurses and caregivers and all had tears in their eyes because they felt that, and one of them really told us that now when we receive this cake, and especially the cards that have been made by the children, we are encouraged to give more and work more and come to work with more joy, because we know that the Pondicherry citizens are appreciating us. So that became very personal, like we were really giving the cake to the ladies, and we were seeing their gratitude in their eyes and also in their body language. When they were taking it, like they were literally grateful for the cake that was coming to them. That was all, really amazing emotions that ran through the whole day today.
If humanity has any job to do, just say thank you for people who are making our lives safe.